Hi friends, my name is Rushikesh Jalindar Yadav and I will discuss the topic in constructor, Java constructor. The Java constructor is a special method that is used to initialize object. The constructor is called when an object of a class is created. Why do we need a constructor? There can be a situation where exposing the class variable to the main program is not secure. At that point of time, class variable can be turned to private because the private variable are not accessible from the other classes. In this situation, if the constructor are defined, then the main method would not need to access class variable directly. Types of constructor. In a Java constructor can be divided into three types. First one, no argument constructor. Second is a parameterized constructor, and third is a default constructor. First one is a Java constructor is a no argument constructor. Similar to method, a Java constructor may or may not have any parameter argument. If a constructor does not exhibit any parameter, it is known as a no argument. Second is a no parameterized constructor. A Java constructor can also accept one or more parameter, such as constructor are known as a parameterized constructor with parameters. And third is a Java default constructor. If we do not create any constructor, if Java compiler automatically create a no argument constructor during the execution of the program, this constructor is called default constructor. And calling constructor, you call constructor when you create a new instance of the class containing the constructor. A constructor cannot be abstract or static or final. A constructor can be overloaded but cannot be overridden. Constructor overloading in Java, similar to Java method overloading, we can also create two or more constructor with different parameter. This is called constructor overloading. Next, Java copy constructor. There is no copy constructor is Java. However, we can copy the value from the one object to another like copy constructor in C++. There are many ways to copy the value of one object into another in Java. They are by constructor, by assigning the value of one object into another, and by clone method or object class. Next is a Java constructor as difference between Java method. A constructor is used to initialize the state of an object. A method is used to expose the behavior of an object. Second, a constructor must not have a return type. A method must have a return type. And thank you.